Okay. Two sides. Flesh, the hide side. You take your tool, you start with the rough side. You see all the black? That's from metal coming off. And you do this. You see how that gets shiny? Next, sharpening in it. See how dull this is? That's getting so black. It's getting shiny. This is the other side. This is the finer side. See how it's getting shinier? This is the rouge. This happens to be a white rouge, but you want the red rouge. You just take it and you rub it in. You see how the black goes away because the rouge is taking over. Get the whole thing. You see? And you start over. You see how the marks are coming because it's really taking it off. The other thing, when you're done with that, you want to take some thread and go through the V groove. I don't have here's some handy. This is the wax thread that you get from Tandy or anybody. Take off some or hold it like this and you go through like that. You see that? That'll sharpen inside. You can get regular thicker thread, put some rouge through it, do the same thing, and that'll polish the inside groove, and that's where your cutting edge is. So I hope that helps you. This is not the strop you're getting. You're going to get a smaller strop, but that's it.